swear to God.
Oh God. Don't jump too far out.
Oh, listen, she belly flopped. She belly.
Oh my God. Every year on the 4th of July, we go harder than anyone else. Luckily, we live in a crazy-ass state like Florida that allows people to buy pretty much whatever fireworks their heart desires. This year we went as hard as ever. This video is full of fireworks, slides, belly flops, scaffolds, backflips, explosions, sends, backflips, boobs, ladies, fireworks, and boobs, and fireworks, and ladies, and backflips. If you guys want to see more firework-related stuff, my dude Tfue will be dropping a banger vlog soon, so look out for that. And I would also like you guys to comment down below any firework-related stunts or activities you have for us to execute, along with liking this video, or else Bigfoot will blow up your mother. With fireworks, sends, boobs, backflips, and fireworks, and explosions, and boobs. This entire vlog is action-packed. If you guys want to do us a solid and watch the entire thing, help us go viral, help us take over the internet, and especially help us like this video. Without further ado, enjoy the craziest 4th of July yet. And quite possibly my favorite vlog ever. Well, we're going to buy fireworks. 4th of July, kind of a tradition for us to blow stuff up, so we're gonna blow stuff up. We'll start with the big stuff, right? Yeah.
Big Savage requests.
Yeah, dude, I don't think it's gonna fit in your car, dude.
I think we'll make it work.
Yeah.
I don't have an engine, so.
Oh yeah, you have a frunk, huh?
Yeah, it's not that
No
big, though.
way. Shout out to this guy.
Yes,
to this guy,
yes, sir.
To this guy,
Yeah.
and to this guy, and to this guy, and to everybody else too, and to you for not getting us in trouble.
Dude, we can't fit on this. There's no way.
What do you mean? It's definitely.
We can try.
It's not even gonna fit with
Listen.
us not in the car.
Yo, dude, you guys.
So dumb.
Who do we gotta call? We need a U-Haul, dude. This isn't.
I got a 20-foot U-Haul.
So if you guys don't know what that means, it means it's a very big one.
I wanted to be on that board where it says top spenders. And finally, today, thanks to all of you guys liking our videos, that dream has come true.
We are the top spenders. I guess.
Oh, my dream came true today.
Take it back.
That was mean.
JoogSquad and Tfue. I'm just kidding. We got a lot of shit.
Oh my gosh.
You guys let me out.
Yo, no, yeah, you're staying in there.
We got a wild jug.
Bro, I can't even move. Like, we bought a 32-foot scaffold. Well, actually, we rented it for a month. This is gonna be interesting. And none of us know how to set it up. I'm gonna die.
Everybody's asking where you've been. I tell them knowing that you're just a picture in a frame. I dissolve with the salt on your skin. I know that we shouldn't be.
Alright, now we're going to attempt to set up a scaffold. Where are we going to put it? Right here, so we can attach it to the roof.
I like it. Safety first.
And the slide. So we're going to have a scaffold, a trampoline, and a slide set up at some point today. Yeah.
I told you, bro. I told you. No one listens to me.
3 first, man. Don't do it.
6 feet tall. 3 first, so I should go lower, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, oh my god, bro.
For the boys! We're good. I think we underestimated how high 35 feet is. So you're telling me I've done an 80-foot backflip and that's like 30 feet? This seems ridiculous. So the thing is with that is we could go 6 feet higher, but the pool is not deep enough for that nonsense. I already jumped off it once, and if I hadn't landed right on my ass, I would have hit the bottom. So we got the trampoline right next to the pool now too. We just got to put the giant slide right here as well, and then we're on. And my backyard's like a straight up trampoline, water slide, water park, cliff jumping central, dude. Let's go for it. This is gonna be awesome.
In slow.
We got a couple this time. You think we can blow all these up in one night?
We're gonna try.
All right, Edwin, we're starting off the 4th of July. What we got?
Alright, so we went all the way to the super south side of where we live.
Oh my gosh. Shrimp and potatoes.
So are you mad I'm late now? Are you mad I'm late now?
Oh!
I spent $200 for the boys.
Hey,
Let's
I'm
get it.
down to go half, dude. Where's your overalls at, though? You did not.
I did.
You gotta go home.
I know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, my butchies.
Our neighbors know we're crazy. They don't think they know. How's the view? Are you sending a gator?
That's like absurd. We filled the pool all the way to the top so that we have the best chance of not hitting the bottom when we jump.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Warning.
This is America.
In slow. Warning. Warning.
Oh god. Don't jump too far out. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? We need to go to church! I need to go home! No, for real though, real. If you guys enjoyed this content, please follow all of our ads right here. Make sure to like and turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. Underwater swap. 3, 2, 1.
That was so gnarly.
Oh, I bet, bro.
I'm always used to jumping. I was just like. So far, it's been a send. Now it's time for the fireworks.